Hello, people. So, this, I think being bubbly and being happy is one of the best things you can do for yourself and for the rest of the world. And for that, there is this thing known as the yellow citrine stone. I know some of y'all must be thinking, like, how is it even possible that a stone can alter your state of mind? But, like I said in my previous video, all the world is vibration, so we are all pulsating to certain vibrations. When you are happy, you are at a certain frequency. When you're low, you're at a certain frequency. So when you wear did you know this, that the color yellow, the human eyes are such that we cannot differentiate literally between the different shades of yellow, as in the yellow of the bright of the sun, and a yellow dress is perceived by the eyes in the same way. I mean, it's bright, right? It's so also when you wear a yellow citrine stone, especially at this time, when because of this lockdown people are home, they are losing jobs and all, you really need to be this, see, even this curtain wants to be part of the video. So you know you have to do these things to kind of alter your state of mind, because if you've observed, the days that you're wearing bright colors, like yellow, red, or bright colors, you automatically feel more upbeat, because that comes under the whole thing of the how the mind works. And see, while I'm speaking, my cute little adorable little, my celebrity wants to be part of the show. It's the tiniest of all the rabbits I've kept. So really, people, so yellow citrine stone it is. And in fact, even these animals are such that they kind of, they can sense, that certain when I'm holding them, they want to play with my this is called the pink quartz, rose quartz, and that I'll speak of in another video. But really, people, if you all are feeling low, a yellow citrine stone that you can get on Amazon for just like 300 bucks, a certain ring or earrings or something, it'll make such a huge difference, because at the end of the day, we are all vibration, one pulsating ball of energy. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. No, so that's what, in case you want to feel happy and peppy, this is one secret technique. So thanks for watching, people.